Greetings viewers. So this video is related to the cosmetics which I have in my bag, and I'm making this video on request of few of my friends, and my basic focus would be on the lip colors which I have. So the first one, as you can see, it's from Anastasia brand, and you can see the name. It is Dazed. It's such a lovely color. I have been using it a lot. I cannot say it or differentiate that whether it's red or maroon. It's a combination of both colors, and it gives a very good look when you apply it. And this one is my favorite. This one is again from Anastasia brand, and you can see the name. It's written Stripped. So this nude color looks very chic when you apply it. So this is the color, and the next one is again from Anastasia brand, and you can see the name. I have been applying it a lot. Casually you can apply, or you can apply it formally as well. The name is Ellison, and this is the color. It's such a pretty color. Either if you have reddish skin tone, or if you have a fair tone, so you can apply all these colors. So this is again from Anastasia brand. As you can see, this color is too much pretty. It's Dusty Rose. I have one more Dusty Rose color with me. I'll be showing it later on. So this is the color, and one more from Anastasia brand. It's such a beautiful color. You can see it's Hudson. This is the color. It's really beautiful. I'm not applying it on my hand, so I don't want my hand to be dirty with it. So this again, one new from Anastasia brand, as you can see, and this is the color name. It's written over here, and this is the color. It's such a pretty color. It's a bit vibrant as compared to the rest of the colors which I have from Anastasia. So you can have this one. Another color which I like, it is from Huda Beauty. It's the name is Bonnie. It's written over here, as you can see. You cannot differentiate it whether it's completely pink or peachy, but it's a combination of both colors. And if you have a fair skin tone, so it look marvelous on your skin if you apply it. So the next one is from Anastasia brand, and as you can see, this, it's Dusty Rose, right? So this one is matte lipstick. So let me just show you. And this is the color. It's very beautiful and pretty lip color. This I have is from this brand. As you can see, this lip color is a bit similar to the one which I have shown you. And this one is from MAC, and it's pearl pink. It's a lustrous, and you can see this. This is the color. It's such a pretty color, so you can see it. It's a bit lustrous or shiny, as you can see, and it's flawless. The next one is from Tarte Cosmetics brand, as you can see, and this is the name. So Bounce, and this is the color. The last one which I want to show you is from Chanel brand, and this is the color 36. It's written Rogue Coco something, and this is a vibrant color, so I apply it less, not on daily basis. Okay, so this is Maybelline mascara, as you can see, so it's good one. You can have this, and this is the, you can say, blush on with a highlighter. You can have this as well. And the face powder from MAC Studio Fix, as everyone knows about it. So this is the face powder, and then later on you have a puff with it inside. So for eyeshadow palette, it's Buxom Eye Shadow palette. As you can see, I love this color combination, and you can see the colors. I really like all of them. I have been using them a lot, and you can see that all these colors are for daily use or for the formal as well. So these are not that much vibrant. I have been using the second one a lot. And you have a brush, so you can see the end of the brush, and this one is a bit circular, and this one has a different edge, so you can apply it easily with it. So these are all the colors. And one more palette I wanted to show you. This is from Clinique brand, and let me just open it. So these are two eyeshadows. You can see they are both so pretty, these two, and this one is a blush on, but you can apply it on your eyes as well. You can use it as an eyeshadow as well. So for the foundation, this is Laura Mercier, as you can see, and it's Laura Mercier, as you can see, Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. It is flawless, as the name is written over here. So I have been using it a lot, and this is how little it left. Okay, this one is my favorite, which is Brow Beginner's Kit. This kit is, you can say, very good one, and this will help the beginners a lot. So this is the dark brown color, and I'll show you how it works. So this is the brush side where you can fix your eyebrow, and this is a triangular, and it is really convenient to apply, and you can use it. And you can see that it is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Brown Definer. And you can see this is Anastasia Beverly Hills again. Okay, this is the last thing which you can apply on your eyebrow. This is the last step, and it is the mandatory as well. You can see one more thing which comes inside this is for the beginners. It's very convenient, because if you have all these things and you cannot make the eyebrow shape perfectly, so you have different, like, it's number one is for full arc. If you want to have it, you can have the medium arc, and all these numbers with the designs, it is there. So you can just lift it up, and you can just put it on your eyebrow, and you can make the liner accordingly. So this another color is from Ebony, as you can see. It is the same brand, Anastasia. So this is lovely as well. Okay, and what's left with me is this eyebrow pencil color. As you can see, it's from L for ELF, and this is Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So this is the brush side, and this one is the side where you can make your brow. So this end has circular ending. You can see it's a bit sort of a pencil, but it's not particularly the pencil one. So this is again easy to use and convenient to use. And this I have from Wet n Wild. It's you can say eyeliner. So there's the pencil form. It's very good, and it's give a very good, you can say, effect on your skin. It's very easily you can use it. You can draw that eyeliner in a good way. So this one is Velvet Smoky Eye Pencils from the Top Face, and you can use this one for the smoky eye combination if you want. So the last thing which I have is this beautiful from Versace brand. So what I love about it is the stones over here. That's it. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and leave a comment if like my video, and leave a comment if you want such type of videos from me. Thank you.